In this video, you will learn about the typical settings for DigiPara simplified BIM profiles. These settings control how your components are presented at different LOD levels. The principle is simple. The lower the LOD, the less detail should be shown, but always as much as necessary. Let's go through the levels step by step. LOD 100 shows only the main components. LOD 200 provides a simplified model of your component. LOD 300 displays a detailed model with exact BIM dimensions and correct relative positions, ensuring precision. LOD 350 goes further by also defining the elements' relations and connections to other components. LOD 400 presents the component with the details required for installation drawings. LOD 500 corresponds to LOD 400, but may include even more. And finally, LOD Max displays the component exactly as it was designed. Here is an important best practice. Do not show screws, nuts or bolts in LOD 100 through LOD 400. This keeps your models efficient and easy to handle. To assign an LOD level to each profile, simply go to the Related Properties and add or remove the checkmark. You can review and verify the LOD representation of your component either in the Developer LOD View frame or directly via the properties.